AI influencers aren't just the future, they're already cashing in big. Just look at Aitana Lopez. She's not a real person, but her creators are making thousands every month from brand deals and paid collabs. Now, here's the kicker. She doesn't age, doesn't complain, and looks flawless in every single photo.
This is not working.
But when most people try to make their own AI influencer, it turns into a complete train wreck. In one post, the eyes are different. Next, her hairline changes. Even her smile warps just enough to make her look like a totally different person. And trust me, that inconsistency is a death sentence for any virtual influencer. So why does Aitana look perfect every time while everyone else fails? It's not luck. It's not magic. It's a specific method, one that's been kept so quiet you'd think it's a state secret. And today, I'm going to break it down for you. After testing every so-called AI image generator I could find and failing hundreds of times, I finally cracked the code. For character consistency, we're going to use this tool, and the good news is it's totally free. The tool is Google Image FX. Follow this step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll have your own professional AI influencer that could blow up faster than you think. Step 1. Build the perfect base image. Open up Google Image FX and sign in with your Google account. This is where we create your influencer's core look, her DNA. Forget vague prompts like, pretty girl in a dress. That's how you end up with an AI mess. Instead, we're going to hack this process for maximum detail. First, head over to Pinterest and search for model photos that match the vibe you're going for. Once you find one you like, save it to your device. Now upload that image into ChatGPT and ask it to generate a detailed prompt that recreates a similar look. This shortcut saves hours of trial and error and gives us a high-quality, descriptive prompt that nails the style. Copy that prompt and paste it back into Google Image FX. For extra realism, click More and add tags like high contrast and highly detailed. Click More again and choose Surreal. One more time, tap More and select Natural Light, and then again to add Realistic. Now, hit the settings icon. For mode, choose Best Quality. For aspect ratio, go with Mobile Portrait. And here's a huge tip, leave the seed number unlocked. Don't lock it yet, because right now our goal is to generate our very first base image, the foundation for our AI influencer. Collapse the settings and hit Generate. This time it gave me only 2 images instead of 4, but both are stunning. That's the power of combining the right prompt with the right tool. Personally, I think the second one is stronger, so I'll save that to my device as our starting point. Step 2. Lock in character consistency. Now that we've got our perfect base image, we're not stopping there. One photo isn't enough to build a believable AI influencer. We need variations that keep her looking exactly the same, no matter the pose, outfit, or setting. Here's the shortcut. Head back to ChatGPT and ask it to give you 8 different prompts featuring your character in various poses, clothing styles, and environments. This way, you're not stuck trying to imagine every variation yourself, and you can focus on keeping her face consistent. When you've got your 8 variation prompts, make sure your base character description stays exactly the same. I recommend putting it inside brackets to protect it. Then, simply add one of the variation prompts after it. Let's try the first one. Copy it. Paste it after the base prompt in Google Image FX. Important note, this time, lock the seed number. This ensures your character's face remains consistent across all images. And hit Generate. Look at this, same face, but now she's in a new pose, wearing different clothes, and standing in a casual outdoor scene. I'm saving this 4th image because it nails the look. Repeat the process for the rest of your prompts. Grab the next variation from ChatGPT, paste it after your unchanged base description in Image FX, and save the best result each time. By the end, you'll have a full set of high-quality, consistent images, and these will become the training material for your AI influencer's model. Step 3. Training your AI model, bringing your influencer to life. Alright, now that we've built a library of consistent, high-quality images in Google Image FX, it's time to breathe life into our AI influencer. For this, we're using SwapFans AI. I'll drop the link in the description. Once you sign up and log in, you'll land on the dashboard. First thing, load up your balance so you can access the AI training tools. Now, from the top menu, click Services, then AI Influencer. There are two main ways to create our AI influencer, and I want to make this crystal clear. The first is cloning a real person. You must have explicit permission from that person, no grabbing random images from strangers or celebrities. If you do have permission, you simply upload their photos, and the AI will create a digital clone. But for most of us, and the method I recommend, we're going to create a completely original influencer who doesn't exist in real life. This is where our Google Image FX collection comes in. Click Start with Photos. Give your model a name, let's say, Julie, choose the gender. Select the model type. And upload all the consistent variations we made earlier. Agree to the terms. Then hit Train Model. The AI now studies those images like a blueprint, locking in your influencer's face, body proportions, and style. This works so well because we're feeding it quality over quantity. 6 rock solid. Consistent photos will beat 30 mismatched ones any day. Trust me, if you nail this stage, you save yourself endless frustration later. Once your model is trained, we move into content creation, and SwapFans AI gives us 4 powerful methods to do it. Method 1, Normal Content Generator. This is your quick and easy mode. Just pick some tags, for example, vacation. Keep the hairstyle consistent. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Choose how many shots you want, and click Generate. Boom, Julie is suddenly posing in front of a sunny beach. Perfect for Instagram stories. Method 2, Location-based content. Here, you choose specific background images. Want Julie at Times Square or a luxury resort? Just select from these available backgrounds, and click Generate. The AI will place her in those exact environments with her unique style. Method 3, Custom prompt creation. This is where the magic happens. You can write incredibly detailed prompts for high-end, brand-ready shots. Example, she's standing in a luxurious studio, holding an elegant perfume bottle, golden glowing skin, cinematic bokeh lights, silky off-shoulder evening gown, ultra-realistic, 8K. Set the aspect ratio, hit Generate. And you've got an ad-worthy image in seconds, perfect for brand deals. Method 4, Trend replication. Perfect for riding social waves. Find a top-performing influencer post on Instagram, paste their profile link, select the image for the style you want to replicate, and let the AI recreate the pose and environment. From this side-by-side comparison, you can see the same vibe, same environment, and same pose. Step 4, the secret sauce for going viral. Now that your influencer's alive and creating content, let's talk strategy. Here's the viral playbook. Start small, post in niche communities where your influencer's style fits perfectly. Engage, comment, like, and interact with real creators in that space so they notice your AI influencer. Expand, once you have traction. Branch out to bigger hashtags and trending topics. This is exactly how real influencers grow. The truth is, we're already seeing AI influencers get verified, land sponsorships, and build real communities, and right now, the market is still wide open. If you follow these steps, you're not just creating a character, you're building a brand asset that works for you 24/7. So, if you're ready to start, click the link in the description. And tell me in the comments what kind of AI influencer you plan to create. I can't wait to see your concepts. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the next deep dive tutorial. The next viral AI star could be yours.